Hello. Today we're going to make a paper chain, and I don't know if you've made one of these before. Super easy. And what I like to do, what I did when I was a kid, you can take it and count up the days for something that's coming up that you're looking forward to, like your birthday or the end of school or a vacation or whatever. And you make as many rings as those days, and then every day you peel one off and that thing gets shorter. So you rip one off and then it gets shorter and shorter until finally you get to the day that you're excited about. So that's fun. It's also just, I think, a cool decoration to hang up. You can do a pattern of colors or just random. And I'm just using construction paper. You could use any kind of paper, and I cut some of them on a paper cutter, but you could also cut them by hand, just cut strips, right? So cut as many strips as you want, or just cut a bunch, and then, well, you start it like this. Take your paper strip, fold it around like that, right? So it overlaps. And then take a stapler and put it in there. Staple it, there's your first one. And go right through. Go around and overlap it. Staple it. There's another one. I'm gonna add that onto my one that I've already got going on over here. Just put one through here, and I'll put it through here too. And that'll add that one on. But anyway, so there you go. And you just keep going, going, going. Until you've made it as long as you want. Another thing my friend Tom does is he'll take like a big project that he has and he'll write little tiny steps on it of what to do, right? One step, one other step, and then put them on, and then he'll take one and just open it up and do that one little step. And I think that's brilliant. So whatever you do with your paper chain, I think they're fun. Have a fun day.